Hi friends, I'm Dr. Anjali Zargule. Today I'm going to talk to you about 5 different things which I do to keep myself positive, happy and healthy. The first most important thing I believe in is waking up early in the morning. Waking up early in the morning to a beautiful sunrise, to a beautiful view of the landscape, breathing in the fresh and unpolluted air is a great way to charge and recharge yourself with positive energy. It's a great way to kickstart your day, which leads to a very highly productive and a very positive remainder of the day. It's a motivation for you to wake up every morning and get completely set for your remaining day. The second most important thing which I believe in is exercising. Each of us are very packed in our hectic schedules, and we certainly need to take out a few hours of your time for your own mental and physical well-being. So I devote my at least 2 hours per day for a good amount of exercise. Alternate days it would be taking a walk in nature, climbing the mountains, and alternate days I would devote myself to be training in weights for the upper body and the lower body. That's a great way to build up your mental fitness, physical fitness, increase your immunity, and certainly you feel more charged and energized, and you increase your productivity at work because of the exercises. The third most important thing which I believe is eating right. So you need to pay careful attention to your balanced diet, which is in watching out for the protein intake and the carbs intake and the fats. So a good body, a good healthy body would certainly give you the happy thoughts and help you achieve even more productive day. The third thing which I do and I believe in is practicing breathing exercises, meditation and mindfulness. Meditation to nature sounds, to instrumental music, which is very cool and calming and soothing for your senses. You become more transformed, you become more focused, you become more calm, you are more aware of your surroundings and you're more conscious of yourself. So at least 15 to 20 minutes of good amount of meditation does help for you to achieve a great day. Practicing meditation, mindfulness and breathing exercises, watching your breathing helps you become more focused inwards, more focused on your reactions and approach towards life, your relationships, your work, your personal life. So I think it's a good way to achieve a good balance if you practice breathing exercises. The next thing which I believe in is getting good amount of rest, good amount of sleep. As we are stressed throughout the day, we have a lot of thoughts cluttering in our mind and which leads to disturbed sleep. So sleep deprivation is known to cause many health issues. So I believe that getting at least 7 to 8 hours of good sleep is very essential for giving your body, your mind, your soul complete rest, so that it makes you recharged for the next day and you wake up with a lot of positivity. So I've slowly incorporated all these very basic things in my life over the period of 3 weeks, and then you can incorporate more and more amount of things which you love doing and which help you really transform. I see a big change in myself, what I was 10 years ago and the woman that I am today. So I'm sure that it's just a matter of habit, and which certainly is not very difficult, and each of us knows the importance of these very basic things which I have mentioned for keeping happy, keeping positive, having happy thoughts, because they will reflect in every single area of your life. So I hope I've been able to share my way of positivity